Well, good morning, YouTube. I'm trying a new thing out here today. We're calling it the Gut Cam. The Gut Cam. So, yeah, my voice box, it's due to the distinct sound of my voice, or maybe it is the cheap microphone, not sure which. The microphone on this thing just blows out and just too much vibration. It's a very vibraty sound that comes out of here. So what I'm doing is, the idea is move the camera as far away as I can from my voice box, and yeah, then minimize the poor sound quality, and hopefully okay, I'm just there was a couple of people, I had about 3 people want this mattress, but I just couldn't get organized for this morning, so the guy might come tonight and pick it up. So I'm just going to dump everything here in the driveway, and then I'm going to run off, and we're going to do a office pickup here. This way, I think. Yeah. Alright. You can see what I'm up to here. Completely useless. I'm sticking the binders out. Alright, good. Alright, hi Loki. Hi Loki. Hi Loki.
I was just emptying these into here.
Okay.
It's all of
Because you want to keep this container?
Yeah, I want to put these containers back into the cupboard.
Yeah,
they're quite useful.
Yeah, they're useful. Yeah. I'll just dump these in here. Alright, there we go. So you got these 2 here now. Good. Okay. One more with the yeah, I just saw the back door and I thought, oh, there's no way that door's going to open for me, and sure enough, it opened right up. It looked too secure or something. Anyway, it's all good. So I'm trying to make it a little bit better. Really good, actually, yeah. Yeah, really good. Yeah, it's a good time of year. My work has slowed down a little bit, which is nice. Always a good thing. I haven't gone to see the parents yet, but it's good. We're keeping in touch quite a bit, which is good. Oh, this will work good, actually. Alright. It's not gonna go there. This is gonna go. That's gonna go. Be able to do this. Yeah, it looks like. Yeah, I mean, the paper recycling. Yeah, more. Yeah, exactly. Maybe some of it could be donated, but a lot of it's. Let's see here. But mostly, I mean, it looks like a lot of. There's no secure documents in here, is there really?
Well,
I mean.
then there is.
Okay. Well, that's good to know. That's what I need to know. Something like that, I can throw right in the bin.
Okay.
Some of the stuff like that I would take to the recycle depot,
right.
But you don't want that stuff littering around the recycling depot, right? So that's what I'll take that to the. All right, that's still pretty good. That's still pretty stable.
Is that box full at the bottom?
Yeah, it is. It's got all the binders. I packed it right out.
Right.
Yeah, right to the top. Yeah, I've got a few boxes in the truck if we need.
Okay, bring for that.
Okay.
You can decant that into what you've got.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, I mean, I might be able to get this in 2 trips here. I'm just trying to keep it as efficient as possible here. I'm going to disturb those guys. Obviously, trying to do a meeting over there. There we go. There. Hi, Loki. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. And that one's going to go there. Okay, perfect. That's okay. Oh, yeah, that's going good. Yeah, thank you. Okay, and it really wasn't too much. I was worried, but It looks like it's really. Yeah.
No, this is all my stuff, like from from Synergy.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, there we go. Okay, perfect. Okay, we'll see you in a few minutes. Oh yeah, I'll get in there. I'm just going down here. Check out this briefcase here. This thing is nice, man. I'm gonna put some of my computer hardware in there. Hello. Morning. Good cam, best cam. All right. Okay, so this bin is. Okay, perfect. That's yours now. Alright. Actually, I guess it's going to be one more trip then. Get this here. I'll do that. And you, yeah, that's to empty out as well. Let me just get it. Hold on me. Or do you want the container?
Yeah, I want the container.
Yeah, sure. Then just dump it. Perfect. Okay, awesome.
Thank you.
All right, I'll be back up and we'll finish up. Gut cam, party on, wait.
Were you after bed?
Oh, two, please, thank you. Let's see, I've got one more empty box here if you need. If there's any last knickknacks, you're probably good. I'm just going to flatten this out here so it fits back. Like so. Ooh, that's got some weight to it. Oh, okay. Yeah, sure. Actually, those will go right here. That'll be a good spot for it. Yeah. And those ones, they might be too wide for the door, so I'll put them on last. And we'll see about those. And that one might end up coming on last time. Just see here. BAH. Yeah. and then BAH again. So twice, and then ANI. What happened to that tube there? Am I taking the tube?
Just put it. There'll be another one, but not.
Oh, not from here? Oh, from here.
I've got to do all
Oh,
of
you got a
that.
okay. You sure you don't want to look what's in there today? Ah, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. We'll do another day then, right?
I've done well.
Oh, you did good. Yeah, you did good.
I did really
You
well.
did well.
So you
Okay,
did.
I'm good, yeah. Well, the truck broke down, and if you notice, it's a van, yeah.
Yeah.
So it's in the shop, and we're waiting for parts, so
Right.
it was a bit of a panic, but
But it's okay.
I'm on top. I got it, yeah. So I've got a lot of people helping me, right? So,
Good.
yeah, no, that's
Smile.
a smile, and just keep going, right?
Okay.
Thanks, Leslie. Okay, actually, you know what, if you don't mind opening the door now. Yeah, that would help with this, the four-wheeler, yeah. A little awkward here, so. Okay, perfect. And thanks, see you next time. Yeah, that's okay, I got it there. So, yeah, a lot of Valley Village stuff here. Hi guys, I'm just going to get out of your way here. Go that way. All right, thanks. Okay, I think we got to take her for the mattress. So we're gonna rip home, grab the mattress, throw it on top, throw the rest of the junk in, dump, and Valley Village. Ooh, that's got some weight. Okay. Okay, good news. Found someone to take the mattress. Oh, these things are heavy, man. Ah. Ah. I'm able to give that mirror away to this. It's going to a chick. So fuck, smashing into shit here. So I'm gonna try yeah, I should have pulled the anyway, whatever. Too late now. Okay, I'm gonna load all this up here. Thanks.
Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. Give me that in.
Thank you.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Let's get the mattress here. Yeah, I know it's clean, it's nice, there's no smells. You're not going to have any problems with it.
Okay,
So, yeah.
perfect.
Yeah, that's good. Are you guys new to Kelowna? Oh, okay. Yeah. It's such a rich town, right? Lots of people they have lots of stuff and they're just like, oh, I don't want it. They're just like, whatever. I'm just going to drop it.
Yep.
Right there. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, no, it looks
Yeah, they're clean. They're nice. No smells. Okay. Thanks.
awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. 20 bucks. Thanks, guys.
Yeah,
See you again.
thank you so much.
Okay. Fuck, man. Really? Yeah, so it's pretty much the junk here is all stuff. There's no garbage in the bins. Okay, here's the treasures. We got ourselves a Canada Goose sculpture. Nice screwdriver. Some kind of jogger watch here. Magnifying. Tin full of coins. A nice little belt buckle, that green stone from yesterday. Little brassy bits, little metally bits, combination lock. Oh, I guess these are shoe things. And master lock here, bits of metal. Got ourselves a MacGyver hat, some nice winter gloves, some old 3.5 and 5 1/4, which I save. Thing full of paper. Some more discs here, 3.5, 5 1/4. Little Rona knife here. Some old, the verbatim, the tape disc things. I collect all old media like that. It's sort of all collectible at this point. And then little bits of junk here. Cool computer keyboard duster. Okay, I know what was in there. That was something. That been a wire from a few days ago. So yeah, and then yeah, I got a friend who oddly collects old answering machine tapes. He kind of anonymizes them, but he posts them up there. So I don't know why, but it's amusing. That's why, to listen to old cassette tape. Yeah, and this whole pile here is it's all donations. This is all going to Valley Village here, other than my zero Halliburton suitcase. Oh. And put you guys on there here. So this one can go there. That one can go there. That one's getting old. I got some reading glasses. I'm pretty sure these are reading glasses. Let's see. Oh yeah, there we go. I can get up close and read things now. Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, I need a pair of these in the truck so I can read things. I'm freaking blind. So, I bought this on Marketplace. Well, I was swinging by on the way home. It's a tailpipe expander. Probably going to be too small for what I want, but I don't know. Yeah, it might be alright. We'll see. You need probably a few different types. It was cheap. It was only pretty cheap, $15. Emergency alert here. Okay, here's my bin of muffler parts. I've got to do the Astro needs a muffler, and so does the Atlas. So now with this on full bore, it actually looks like it should be able to handle. Oh, there's my boy. There he is. There's the greatest kitty in the world. He's the mighty finest boy. He's so good. So yeah, this should be able to flex out even the biggest pieces of pipe that I have here. So yeah, good little investment here. There's the kits. The kits are online, Amazon. They're about $50. They got all the different sizes, but oh, I see that goes there. So, but I think this one here is probably good enough just for. Although once you start spreading out metal like this, you probably just want to keep going at it and doing it more and more, right? I don't know.